Your shape is very good. Ayan, good. And Sergeant, don't play na po ako. Say, ha, I love you. Can I meet you? And if you are free. Guys, I don't have day off. Okay? I don't have a holiday. Let's connect to my member. Oy, Veronica, are you there, Veronica? Hi, beautiful. How are you? Hi, beauty. How are you? I'm fine. Whatever live in Dubai. First, tell me what is the language there. Arabic. Arabic language. Where are you from? Guru, I'm from Philippines. Mama Samix, thank you so much. You like me? If yes, then wink. Pro. I'm from Nepal, you know Nepal. Ayan. You like me, then wink. Hey baby, you know Tamil language? No, Daran. Let your man join me to learn your language. And oh my god, but the Arabic, I don't know how to speak Arabic. Yeah. I'm here, I'm working here 8 years, but I don't know to speak Arabic. Ana mafi ma'lum kalam Arabic. Ana mafi ma'lum. Arabic din. Don't hide your face. I can see your wing. Don't hide your face. Oh my god. Yeah, Habibi. Dun, 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 dun. Let's connect to ano. So sad but I love you. And from ano. Daran. Musa Alika. Ayan. Musa Alika. What's the Musa Alika? Habibi, come to Dubai. Yes, come to Dubai, Habibi. Habib, what is your idol man? My idol man is Pro. Novelin, Army Muslim. Boss, hindi ko alam boss kung wala pa. Shoutout boss, Mangkukulam. I love you. Welcome to my life. Are you single? Ayan. Please tell love you mention my name. I'm from Daran. My friend Novelin like GN Pro movie. Are you Muslim? No, I'm not Muslim, guys. Boss, nagising ka, boss? Thank you. Good morning. Your language Nepali. Don't say love you to anyone. I love you